Today we are going to do Nationalism in India, Part 7. Now, yesterday, children, I had explained to you about how the tribal people, they responded to the non-cooperation movement. How the tribal people, they were not interested in one bit in what we would say the independence of the country, or to get the country away from the British rule. But what they were interested in only that they should be allowed to go into the jungles and they should be allowed to collect all the forest products. Now, when we talk about, now I'm going to do the Nais and the Dhobis. In those days, children, there was not a single person, who could use maybe a safety Gillette razor like how we have today. Or there was no washing machines as what we have today. So people had to depend upon the Nai and the Dhobi. Now, when they depended upon the Nai and the Dhobi, now that was needed for the everyday things. Now, these Nai and Dhobis, they refused that we are not going to work for the British anymore, right? We are going to participate in the non-cooperation movement. Now, at that time, an Audh Kisan Sabha, the Audh Kisan Sabha was started by Baba Ramchandra, and it was started by Jawaharlal Nehru. Now, Baba Ramchandra and Jawaharlal Nehru, they started this Audh Kisan Sabha. Now, the Audh Kisan Sabha, beta, they just wanted that, the farmers said, we are already in poverty-stricken conditions. I don't want to pay any tax. And they wanted a no tax campaign. But Gandhiji said that I don't advocate a no tax campaign. You will have to pay the taxes. You will have to pay taxes. And when Gandhiji said you have to pay taxes, then these people were just not interested in participating in the non-cooperation movement. And children, sometimes Gandhi did not wish for certain things, but the people took the name of Gandhi and they just did whatever they wanted. Now let me tell you about, the tea planters in Assam. Now the tea planters in Assam, what they did was, the tea planters in Assam, the children, tea planters in Assam, children, they got news that, somehow the other, they got the news that Gandhi was going to distribute land to the poor. Gandhiji was going to distribute land to the poor. Now, when they came to know about this, children, what they did was, they thought that, fine, Gandhi is going to distribute land, and what are we doing here? We are sitting here and we are sitting here and we are not going to get any piece of land. Now, because they thought we are not going to get any piece of land, they decided to run away. They decided to run away from the plantations. Now, they were all enclosed within the plantations. when they decided to run away, children, unfortunately for them, there was a steamer strike. Steamers are small boats, like small, not a ship, not a boat, a little in between. Now, there was a steamer strike, and what they did was they could not go to their native places in the boats. Another thing is that, children, there was a railway strike. And because there was a railway strike, they all had to come back. They all had to come back to the plantations. Now, did they join the non-cooperation movement because they wanted the British to leave the country? Indians did not have it in their minds to even think of, getting independence at that time. I'm talking about 1921. They were not interested at all in getting independence. What they were interested is their personal issues, children. So, when they came back to the plantations, obviously, the British are not going to welcome them with open arms, and the British are not going to feel very happy about them, and coming back. They were ill-treated after that, but they had no option. They had to come back and work on the plantations. Now, children, take out your copies, put the heading Nai Dhobis. Nai Dhobis. Take down in the form of a paragraph. In many places, Nai Dhobi Bands were organized. In many places, Nai Dhobi Bands were organized by panchayats to deprive the landowners or the landlords, to deprive the landlords of the services of barbers and dhobis. Next paragraph. Oudh Kisan Sabha. Spelling of Oudh is O-U-D-H. O-U-D-H. Oudh Kisan Sabha was set up by Oudh Kisan Sabha was set up by Jawaharlal Nehru, and Baba Ramchandra. Jawaharlal Nehru and Baba Ramchandra. In order to integrate order to integrate the Awadh Kisans, AWADH, the Awadh, AWADH, the Awadh Kisans struggle, the Awadh Kisan struggle into the wider struggle, into the wider struggle of the NCM, of the NCM. Next paragraph. In 1921, houses of talukdars, and merchants, houses of talukdars and merchants were attacked. Bazaars were looted. And granaries were taken over. Next paragraph. Next paragraph. Some people told the peasants that Gandhi said that no tax was to be paid. No tax was to be paid. But Gandhi did not advocate a no tax campaign. Now put the next heading. Plantation workers in Assam. Plantation workers in Assam. Now please take down, kids. For plantation workers in Assam, for plantation workers in Assam, freedom meant the right to move freely, in and out of the confined space in and out of the confined space in which they were enclosed, under the children highlight inland, INLAND, Inland Immigration Act, IMIGRATION, Inland Immigration Act of 1859. Kindly highlight this whole thing, beta. Inland Immigration Act of 1859. Just a minute, children. Now put a full stop after enclosed. Your sentence should read, and freely in and out of the confined space in which they were enclosed. Full stop. And then capital U for under. That's another statement. Under the Inland Immigration Act of 1859, plantation workers were not permitted to leave the tea gardens without permission. Next paragraph. When they heard of the non-cooperation movement, they defied the authorities and headed for home. They believed that Gandhiji was coming and everyone would be given land in their own village. They did not reach their destination. They did not reach their destination as there was a steamer strike. As there was a steamer strike and a railway strike. They were caught by the police. They were caught by the police and brutally beaten up. They were caught by the police and brutally beaten up. Now put the heading conclusion. Put the heading conclusion. See children, none of them were interested in independence. Everybody had their own issues why they joined the non-cooperation movement. So write children, each group conclusion, each group interpreted the term Swaraj. Each group interpreted the term Swaraj in their own way. In their own way. When the tribals chanted Gandhiji's name, when the tribals chanted, spelling of chanted, C-H-A-N-T-E-D, when the tribals chanted Gandhiji's name, and raised slogans demanding Swatantra Bharat, they were emotionally relating to an all India agitation. To an all India agitation. Now we end here children. Tomorrow we shall be back and I will then continue with the rest of the chapter. Thank you children. Have a nice day.